Hey y'all, of course, it's me, Erica J. I'm back with another video. And this is just an extra little tip because a lot of people have been asking me, what do you have on your lips? What do you have on your lips? So boom, NYX eyebrow pencil. And I just go just like this. And I outline my lip. And I go just like this. It don't gotta be perfect. I go just like that. And I have Saint Germain by MAC. And I have this lip gloss. I think I got it from the hair store or something. I really can't remember. It's nothing special. But then I put this one in the middle. And I rub them together. And then I put this one on top. Just like that. But I am here because I have a package. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig. I'm going to be giving you the details of this wig. Oh, and wait, hold up. I got my nails done. And no, I ain't doing myself, but they cute or whatever. But like I said, I'm here because I'm going to be doing another review for another lovely company that sent me a wig. And this one is real special, y'all, because it's already plucked. The knots already bleached. Like, what else do you need? What it came with was a detangling brush, a thank you card, thank you, and a wig cap. But since I already have my wig cap on, I'm just gonna save this for another install. But the name of this company is RIRIHAIR Company. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And I'm gonna tell y'all the details of what I got. So what I have is a short curly bob in body wave, virgin hair. It's a 14-inch wig. The density is 150%. And like I said, it's already pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached. And it has an elastic band on it. Check this out. Check it out. Look at that. Knots already bleached. That's lit. That's lit, lit, lit. Do you hear me? Like, do you understand how much I hate bleaching the knots? Like, it just makes me not want to do my hair at all. But this is the body wave hair. This is my first time trying this company out. And I cannot wait to install this because I've been wanting a curly bob for such a long time, and it's just like, I can't. I'm just gonna show y'all what I do, okay? Bye. And y'all already know that you gotta put the foundation underneath your lace or whatever. And a lot of y'all be asking me, why do you put the makeup if you bleach the knots? Or do you still bleach the knots if you put makeup? Yes. Putting the makeup on here, it has nothing to do really about, oh, I already bleached the knots. It's really so it can blend with your skin. Like, even though the lace, most of the laces come transparent or light brown lace, you still want it to blend all the way. So that's the purpose of the makeup. So they have an elastic band on here. And I really, really like this because you can adjust it to different sizes. This actually fits really, really good. And I always do middle parts. I know y'all probably tired of seeing me with a middle part because I'm tired of seeing me with a middle part too. But I'm gonna do a side part. And I don't know if you guys remember from my last video, but I don't really like perfect hair. I like messy hair. So this wig is actually really perfect for me. Just stay tuned. Like, watch me do what I do, and I hope y'all taking y'all notes because I don't feel like wasting my time. Like, I don't feel like I'm keep on wasting my time. Y'all better be paying attention to what I'm showing y'all. It should be all in my business. And y'all wanna know every detail. Oh, somebody was like, oh, why you didn't cut the cap? Why you didn't mow the cap down? Let me know if you saw a difference with my other install. I didn't mow the cap down because I didn't feel like being glued down to the max. And another thing is, I change my hair literally every week. So if I continue to mold my cap down every single week, taking it off, putting it back on, taking it off, putting it back on, what do you think is gonna happen? I'm not gonna have any edges. So that's why I'm doing this technique that I am doing, because my mind just told me to do it. I'm self-taught, so I don't sit here and research scientific methods. Oh, why do I do this or why do I do that? Whatever I do, I just do it because that's what my brain tells me. So anyways, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all saw my low hairline tutorial, but I remember when I first started getting laces, I ain't gonna say the stylist's name, but sis had cut my edges off because she was like, oh, your edges on the sides come down too far or whatever, so you will have to cut your edges. And that was about 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago. I ain't know nothing about nothing. So I was just like, okay, I don't care. I want this lace, so go ahead and cut my hair. But anywho, I really am tired of continue to mold my cap down, then have to wash it out and redo it and all of that. So in your edges and stuff, you're just gonna get them and scoop them up under there. Like I said, I don't like being glued down to the max, especially since I'm changing my hair every week now. It's just like, I'm tired of doing that. Molding down, washing it, taking it out, doing it over. Like, even though it's not going to take your edges out, but continuously putting like strain on your hair, that can like make your hair tired. Like, your hair's gonna be tired, so it's gonna fall out. So that's why I just do this method. And before I even put this cap back on, I put the foundation on it and everything, I put some growth oil on my hairline and on my braids. So that's another thing that y'all should do. But I just had to let y'all know that. By now, y'all should already know what glue I'm rocking with. So stop asking me, what glue do you use? What adhesive is that? Tell me what that says. Tell me what that says. It's boho. It's not Ghost Bond. It's not Lace Grip. It's not Sasha Fierce. It's not Bonquisha's glue from the east side. It's not the Wizard of Oz glue. I don't know what the hell all them glues out there is called, but baby, I'm using boho. This is my team, okay? I need y'all to see that. Boho. Period. And they don't have those issues where, oh, their lace came up soon as they walked outside. Like, if your lace is lifting, you're either doing it wrong or you have the wrong glue, baby. If you've been keeping up with me and if you've been rocking with me from day one, comment below and say day one. But y'all should already know by now, once the glue turns clear, that's when you're allowed to glue it down into the lace. If you're new here, I welcome you with open arms. And with this step right here, we're going to do the zigzag scissor method. I usually use the eyebrow razor for you guys. But like I said, as I say all the time, I like to show you guys different techniques so you can use what works best for you. Those hairs that I'm taking out is going to be the baby hairs. When you're moussing down your baby hairs, you want to go for an alcohol-free mousse. It doesn't matter the brand, just as long as it says alcohol-free. Why should it be alcohol-free? Because if it's not alcohol-free, guess what's going to happen? Your lace is going to lift up. So once you got them formed to how you want them, of course, you see me wrap them down, then let them dry, unwrap them, put the bio silk on your edges and on the rest of your hair, and you're going to get a fine tooth comb and comb out your baby hairs. I just want to go for a simple, messy look. So all I'm doing is spraying water on my hair, and then I put the bio silk on it as well. But I just wanted the curls to form a little bit more. That's why I'm using the water. But this hair is really, really nice. I recommend that you guys go and make a purchase with them. This wig was really easy to put on, and I hope you follow these steps so you can put your wig on at home. Thank you guys for tuning in as always. I love you. Thank you for the support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and refer a friend. See you guys next time.